How to start investing in real estate as a beginner in Nigeria. Starting in real estate at first can feel overwhelming, but the key is to start simple and smart. And the first thing you should do is that you should understand your goal. Are you buying for land banking, for farming, for long-term investment, or buy and build? Your goal determines your strategy, and also what you should look out for during site inspection. And the second thing you should do is that you should focus on developing areas, because properties are still affordable in developing areas, also has higher potential growth in the nearest future to come, especially the ones near higher institutions or private or government projects. The third thing you should do is that you should verify documentation properly. Ask for the survey plan, check the details, focus on checking the inconsistencies. If there's any inconsistencies, that is a warning sign. And remember, you can verify the survey plan at the Surveyor General's office. You can verify the deed of assignment or a deed of conveyance, depending on the one that the company is issuing. You can also verify the certificate of occupancy, popularly known as the CFO, or the governor's consent at the lands registry. And the fourth thing you should do is that you should be patient. Real estate is not a quick money stuff. It is a long-term wealth building game. And also, the final thing you should do is that you should work with a trusted real estate professional. The right guidance can save you from a costly mistake in future. Don't just work with random sellers with no traceable history or office address. Remember, the most important thing in real estate is not to know everything, but to start early, start simple, and learning as you grow. That's how it works in real estate, and that's how it will help you, guide you as a beginner to know what you are purchasing, so that you not get scammed. Remember, verify the document, work with a trusted real estate professional, focus on developing area, understand your goal. It's all these things that will shape you as a beginner. Besides, many real estate companies also offer flexible payment plans for beginners. So that means you don't need millions to start in real estate. You just need the right information, the right guidance, and smart step. And remember, I'm Linda Asaba, and I'm here in the city of Asaba to help you make strategic investments, and also to buy from one of the real estate trusted company in Asaba, Medici Homes. Be it for residential, be it for land banking, be it for farming, I got it covered. So if you're a real estate beginner in Nigeria, do well to watch this video before buying any property.